What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Cash J. Cause I get to the bag and I'm back with another video, man. Today, I'm gonna be giving somebody some advice, man. Alright, so a subscriber DM'd me on TikTok, and this is what he said. He said, "Hey man, I need your advice. Okay, there's this girl, right? We both now agreed to take like a break. But since sometime I realized that she took like control of me and I chased her so bad, bro. What can I do to like make her chase me instead of me chasing her? I want to show that I don't give a F about her, but she already has some control over me." So let me give you some advice, brother. I'm going to teach you the game. I'm going to teach you what girls do, and I'm going to teach you how to get a girl to chase you. Number one, if you look at relationships, right? You look at the male side and you look at the female side. Who get caught cheating more? The dudes get caught cheating way more than the girls. Girls are really good at hiding what they do, right? A girl will literally, one night, she would literally be laid up on the dude's chest. You could be calling, she'll be laid up on the dude's chest. She'll be staring at, her and the dude will be looking at you call her phone. And she just not gonna answer. She gonna come home to you, or she gonna see you the next day, lie, "Oh, I was asleep," something like that. Lie so well. And she gonna have you thinking that you tripping. When in actuality, you right about the situation. The reason girls don't get caught and guys do get caught is because girls are overthinkers. And this is how you gonna get them to chase you. You're gonna take advantage of them overthinking. When a girl likes a guy, she's gonna do everything. She gonna think about every little thing, bro. She gonna think about every little thing that guy do. She gonna question what it means. She gonna look for a meaning behind it. And 80% of the time, it ain't no meaning behind it. Like, you might not text her one night, or you might text her an hour later than you usually do. She gonna think you cheating. She gonna think this, that, and that. So girls, they search for stuff like this way more than guys do. So guys get caught up in it. Guys don't overthink as much. Guys don't look for it as much. So it's easier for a girl to hide what she's doing, even though girls are really good at manipulating and hiding. Like, girls, they'll do this thing called, I can't think of the name of it, but they'll do this thing where they basically pick at you and pick at you and pick at you, and then when you explode on them, they turn you into the bad guy, the villain. They victimize themselves, and they're like, "Oh, you're so mean," but they don't want to talk about what got y'all to that point. So this is how you take advantage of that in a girl, because you gonna take advantage of all that overthinking and manipulating stuff by not caring. The number one way to make a girl chase you, to get rid of all that manipulation, to get rid of that taking advantage of you, to get rid of you chasing her and she playing all these mind games with you because she knows she got you on a rope, is to not care. When a girl see that you over her, when a girl see you don't care, when a girl see you worry about something different, you not worried about her, now she thinking in her head, "Oh, why he not texting me no more? Why he not calling me every night, asking why he not tripping when I don't call him? Why he not tripping when I don't text him?" She gonna be interested now. Now she thinking, "Oh, is he giving his time to another girl? Oh, am I not attractive enough to him? Is he over me? Am I ugly all of a sudden?" She gonna be thinking about stuff like that now. Because you don't care. You show you got different priorities. She not at the top of your list. So honestly, you shouldn't even be asking me this question, brother. Because the way to get what you want from this question is to not even think about the question. You're not even supposed to be thinking about her. You're supposed to be going with the flow. If she want to play games with you, if she want to trip, don't trip by nothing she do. Be nonchalant. Don't trip by nothing she do, brother. If she go out with her friends, if you know for a fact she cheating on you, play your role. Cause here's one thing I learned from experience, bro. Even much if you feel like a girl cheating on you and you bring it up to her, she's never gonna tell the truth. Ever. So the only thing that's gonna make you feel better in that situation is if you have evidence. And like I said, girls are great at hiding that stuff. So 90% of the time, you're not going to have no evidence. Girls will go so far as to block every dude they talk to on Snapchat, block all their contacts, cut their phone on D&D, delete all their messages before they come over to your house. Just to make sure that nobody hit them up while you on the phone, while you there. That's how good girls are with it. And if you see something, but you're not 100% sure that you saw what you saw, and you questioning it, and you go to her and ask her about it, she gonna lie to you. Then she gonna flip it around and make it seem like you crazy. Then she gonna make it seem like you cheated. That's just the way they do. They're extremely manipulative beings. And if you're a girl and you watching this, you can confirm this. If you don't do this, you for sure know girls that do this. You know girls that do this. Have you at night just confused. You can't even focus on nothing you do because you're too busy thinking about her. You care about her so much that all you do is think about what she's doing. Don't do that. Because if think about it, bro. It's like a video game, right? Say you done trained, you done got all these levels, you done made to level 70 to get one of the strongest weapons in the game. You done made it to a high level to get one of the strongest weapons in the game. You finally get that weapon. Now you know that weapon in your bag. You know that weapon yours now, right? You think you're going to use that weapon for the rest of the time you're in the game? No. You're going to go try to find better weapons. You're going to go try to find different weapons. You're going to get bored of those weapons. Even if it is the best weapon in the game, you still going to get bored. You're going to want to change up the game with different weapons. You get tired of using the same weapon over and over again. That's how girls are. Especially when they know, okay, if I leave this weapon and go mess with other weapons, I can still always come back to this weapon if I want to use it. So you make this girl miss the weapon. You like, damn, like she gonna be gone, messing with the other weapons, shooting around the weapons, killing people with the weapons. She gonna be like, dang, I miss my experience with this last weapon. Let me go see how it is. And you can't miss her back. You just gotta go with the flow. You stop talking to her for a couple months, she gonna call your phone. You play it like nothing ever happened. Oh, what's up? How you been? You call my phone? Or you don't answer the first time, you call her back. Oh, you call my phone, I got a missed call from you. You see what I'm saying? You can't care too much, bro. I know it's hard, but as a man, you always have to be ready to leave someone you love. You always have to be ready to leave someone you care for. It don't matter how much you care for them. As a man, you got to be ready to leave your own family. You got to be ready to leave anyone that's not helping you mentally, physically, spiritually. If they're not helping you in no sort of way, if they're damaging you simply by playing mind games with you, making you crazy, rewiring your brain, you got to be ready to leave them. And once they see, oh, he ain't playing no games, he not worried about me, I'm replaceable. Once they see they're replaceable, once they see you don't care, once they see you nonchalant, they gonna chase you, bro. I promise you. Let me tell you what I do. If I'm talking to a girl and she playing games, I'm gonna block her. I'm either gonna block her or I'm gonna turn on my red receipts and I'm gonna leave her on red until I'm ready to talk to her again. Sometimes I'm never ready to talk to her because I really don't care. And I'll let them call me back, or they'll see me in person. Unblock me. Why you left me on red? Or they'll triple text, quadruple text because they like, damn, he really don't care. So now they like to chase. Girls like to chase. Let them chase you, bro. If she is distancing herself, if she wants a break, because let me tell you what a break means. I forgot to bring this up. When she said she wanted a break, bro, what she meant by that means she wanted to go mess with the dudes. That's all that means. There ain't no such thing as a break in a relationship. I didn't try it before, trust me. Better yet, I was in a relationship. I went on a break with somebody and they got in another relationship. A break is not a break. A break is a breakup, basically. What they gonna do if you get into a break with a girl, they gonna go mess with other dudes that they been wanting to mess with, and then they gonna come back to you when they realize you the best option, and they gonna be like, oh, well, I didn't cheat on you because we wasn't together. We was on a break. We wasn't talking. But in actuality, a break is supposed to be, this is how it's supposed to be, but it never goes like this. It's supposed to be you and her just giving each other space. Y'all just giving each other time away from each other. Y'all need space. That don't mean you go mess with other people on a break. If you are someone that actually wants to try to get in on a break, then when you get on a break, y'all are not breaking up. Y'all are not talking to other people. Y'all are supposed to just be spacing out, giving yourself a distance. You can check up on her every once in a while, but y'all not talking every day. Y'all not talking every night. Y'all not doing that. Y'all need space from each other. That's what a break is. But these couples in high school or these younger couples in their 20s, they go on a break, they have sex. They're getting their guts beat. She telling you, oh yeah. She telling you, oh yeah, let's take a break. Meanwhile, you texting her phone, hey babe, how you doing? She ain't thinking about no break. She in that bed getting her stuff beat down. Getting her back blown out. Getting her back crushed by another dude. And what's crazy is, while she getting thrashed, she know for a fact that when she call your phone, you gonna answer and give her whatever she want. You gonna take out to eat. You gonna pay for her nails. You gonna get her whatever she asks for because you a simp. Instead of going to go get your play on the break, because you know for a fact she gonna go get hers, you waiting on her. Don't do that. Now, if you on a break, she getting her back blown out, and she realize you don't care, boy, that's gonna mess with her. Boy, that's gonna mess with her. And don't, boy, and if you got good pipe, if you doing what's right in the bed, shoot, breaks, they ain't gonna last. I ain't gonna lie. They ain't gonna last too long. But honestly, I wouldn't even get in a relationship with a girl that's trying to get on a break all the time, trying to do all that. Nah, I wouldn't even waste my time with that. All it's gonna do is stress you out. It's gonna mess up your mind, brother. From experience, it's gonna have you overthinking everything. You're gonna become an overthinker. You're gonna start catching her in the act more. And every single time you catch her, you're gonna bring it up to her. She's gonna lie to your face. She never gonna tell you the truth. And you're gonna believe what she's saying because you don't want to believe the truth. You don't want to believe she cheating on you. You want to believe what she's saying. You want to believe what you're hearing out of her mouth. But it's just not true, brother. So in order to have her chase you, be nonchalant. Vibe, chill. Don't overthink nothing. Don't care. Let her do her. Do what you gotta do. And I promise you, she gonna come running. It's your boy Cash. Hey man, I'm signing out. Peace.